Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one of the important part of data formatting in Excel, that is how to add prefix and suffix with numbers as well as text. So firstly, we will start with numbers. As you can see on the screen, we have a column filled with some quantity, but these all are in the text format. So here we cannot apply any sort of functions like sum, average, etc. So, to get the calculative and the formatted data, we need to attach the unit as the suffix of these numbers. So, let's see how we do it. First, select the column up to where you want the format to apply. Now, there is a shortcut key for format dialog box, that is Ctrl+1. Now, from here, go to the custom category and type 0 for the number and type the suffix part, that is the unit, within a quotation and press OK. Let's see it's been applied or not. So now we have get the formatted data, and here we can even apply any sort of calculation like sum, average, etc. Let's take another example. As you can see here, we have a column filled with some invoice numbers, and it's very much difficult to type whole of the data every time. So let's see how we shorten the typing with the use of prefix and suffix. So again, follow the same process and select the column you want the format to apply. Now, either you can press the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+1, or go to the number drop down box and select custom category from number tab. Now type the prefix part, that is the name of the company, within the quotation with a slash. Now here see, we have the data with maximum 3 digits inserted over here. So we need to format the data in such a way that it will look equal throughout the column. That means if the number of digits are less than 3, then the remaining fields would be filled with 0. So to get a specific number of digit, we need to use specific number of zeros, that is 3 times in our data. Now type the suffix part within the quotation, that is the financial year, and press OK. Let's check whether it's been applied or not. So now we have done with this formatting as well. So here we can conclude that a single zero may represent more than one digit, but in order to get a specific number of digits in the data, we need to type the zeros equal to that number of digits required. So let's go with the text. As you can see here, we have a data of some department details, where the first and the last part of the data, that is department and HO, are repeated throughout the column. So again we need to shorten its typing. So let's see how we do. Follow the same process and go to font dialog box, and from there go to custom category. Now type the prefix part within the quotation. As you can see on the data, the department and HO is the static part, whereas the mid one of the data, that is the name of the department, is continuously changing. So to represent a dynamic text, we will use @. Now type the suffix part within the quotation and press OK. Let's see it's been applied or not. Okay. So now we have done with the text as well. So, from this learning, we can conclude that numbers are represented through 0, whereas the text are represented through @. Thank you for watching this.